Hey guys, just wanted to welcome you back for another video. And before I get into a quick overview of today's project, just want to remind everybody that Tribal Treasures came out back on June 1st. And if you are interested in picking this up, if you have not already done so, I definitely would not hesitate, because once Dawn's card kits sell out, that's it. There isn't any more. So in any case, all the links will be down in the description box per usual, and as well as all the links for Dawn and the other gals on the design team. So definitely please go show the gals some love and support, because they are all truly amazing and talented and have been making so much fun stuff with this kit. So like I said, all the links will be down in the description box below, so definitely go check all that out. And if you want to, you can stop here. You can go visit www.shinysilvertreasures.com, and you can take a minute and go see what she has available still on her website. And then just for the quick overview, I had planned to do a mixed media page, like an art journal page, or like a mixed media canvas or something like that. But when I was digging through my stuff, I saw these leftover altered playing cards that I had done a while ago, I should say. And I had a big session, ink spraying everything, sealing it up, and I never got around to finish decorating these. So what I did was I just took a bunch of the masks that I had fussy cut out of the sheets, and took a bunch of the leftover embellishments and things that came in the kit, finished them off with some of the gemstones that came in the kit as well, and basically just had an absolute riot, just getting everything to match, coordinating the colors, that kind of stuff. So what you see here was just going through the process of picking out what I wanted to go on which card and all of that, and just super simple. I didn't do any of the ink coloring here. This was already done back in the fall, so there is nothing to see for that in this video. I just was coming in and using what was ready to be finished off. So super quick, super simple, and definitely had fun using up a bunch of those masks and stuff. Very fun. This is, you know, I say this every month, but still, Dawn keeps coming up with all this amazing stuff. So every month it becomes the new favorite kit. So this one is definitely worth checking out. I am absolutely loving this tribal theme. Oh my gosh, just having a ball. So I'm going to leave it there before I go off on a big tangent, and in the meantime, you guys are always welcome to craft along. Hopefully you do. Hopefully you're stash busting. And definitely take care, you guys. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.